Let's start the coloring by learning the names of colors. Here is yellow color. Here is red color, parrot color, pink color. Here is green color, blue color, purple color, and the last one is orange color. Now let's color our Barbie. Let's zoom in on the screen to color it. And now zoom out. Here is our Barbie.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world.
How many Barbies can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 Barbies.